Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by washing and removing pits or stems, then measure 2 cups of soft fruit, like strawberries or peaches, and puree until smooth. Transfer the puree to a heavy saucepan. Add 1 cup granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to balance sweetness and help set the gel. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons powdered pectin evenly over the surface and whisk it in gently to avoid lumps. This pectin amount creates a soft set for about 2 cups of fruit. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the fruit pectin sugar mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring constantly to dissolve sugar and prevent scorching. Continue cooking about 15 to 20 minutes, watching the color deepen and the mixture thicken. Skim any foam that forms to keep the surface clear. Use a candy thermometer and cook until the mixture reaches 220 degrees F to 225 degrees F for a firm but tender chew. Then remove from heat. Immediately pour the hot fruit mixture into an 8 by 8 inch pan lined with parchment, using a spatula to smooth it evenly to about 1/2 inch thickness for soft candy pieces. Let the candy cool at room temperature for 4 to 6 hours, or until fully set, then invert onto a cutting board and cut into squares or shapes. For a textured finish, toss pieces in 1 tablespoon granulated sugar. Store them in an airtight container layered with parchment for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.